Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. This is E Ultra Dash camera. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a general idea of what's inside this E Ultra Dash camera and how to connect it to this E Dashcam app, how to connect to your phone. So first, you insert the SD card that comes with the package to it. Then you connect it to the power source. Once connected, it starts recording. So as you can see, this recording button flashing, that means it's recording right now. So you can press this to pause it. And there are 4 buttons on here. This is for the emergency. And you press it, it gives you 10 seconds emergency recording. At the same time it starts recording itself. And you can press to pause. And this is the album. You can see all this footage I shot now and this morning. And you can press here to choose to view. Okay, that's it. You can choose to delete or play. So I want to go back. Okay, and you have to know that this is not a touch screen, so you cannot touch it. Anyways, let's back, and this is the power key or the settings. Goes to the settings, and it goes to this first item is the resolution, and you can choose 720 30 and 1080 30 and 1080 60. The maximum is 2.7K 30 FPS resolution. Normally I will just choose 1080 30 FPS. I think it's enough for the normal driving. Okay, let's move to next item. Is about the audio. You can turn it off or on, and this is the gravity sensor. This is the LCD. You can choose 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or keep it on all the time. The LCD screen. Okay, moving to next is the brightness. You can choose high, low, or middle. And this is a Wi-Fi SD card. Also the factory set. The time, that when you connect it to your phone, to connect to internet, it will automatically sync the time. Power on or off sound. So, but I will choose it on. And this is the bottom sound. You can choose to turn off. Then it won't have this sound. But anyway, I will choose to turn on. And this is driving report. Okay, the next thing is LDC. LDC means lens distortion correction. When you turn off, then you wouldn't have this distorted edges. When you turn on, you will see those distorted edges. So that's the LDC. The language, US, Dutch, French, and it got different languages. That's great. And voice command. So I'm gonna try it right now. Alright. Okay. That's a voice command. You choose to turn on. It only supports 2 voice commands. One is E begin recording. The second is E take photo. So when you are on the road, when you are driving, you see a girl in front of your car, right? And then you say E take a photo. Dang. You will take the photo. That's it. Anyways, I'm gonna try it right now. E take photo. I'm not sure if you can hear the sound. E take a photo. Okay, then E begin recording. And then it will start the emergency recording. That's the voice command. And this is the about the firmware, the serial number, the Wi-Fi things, those kind of things. Guys, that's the general settings of e-Ultra Dash camera. And next time I'm going to show you how to connect it to your phone through this e-Dashcam app. First of all, you have to download this e-Dashcam app through Google Play or App Store. And once you install the app, and then you click it in, and you will go to this homepage. This homepage interface, and then you can choose to connect. Then you press this icon and you add a device, and then you add e-Ultra Dash camera, and then you press next step, confirm the Wi-Fi has switched on. So press settings, not Wi-Fi is switched. So next step is press next step, and it will searching and then connecting, and then 3, 2, 1, boom. No, not connected, but wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, in this generation it doesn't feature ADAS function. Okay, so anyway, that's the interface. Okay, once connected, it will start recording. So you can press here to take photo, but it's somehow a little bit slow. Okay, photo saved to the album. Once it is connected, you have to know that this button's disabled. So you got this camera, the SD card, which all of the files you've taken will be shown here. So this is what I took today, and you can view some of the footage here, and you can also choose to download. It's a little bit slow, but it's basically, you see, wow, it's so slow. It's a little bit slow. Anyways, I'm gonna exit this page, and you can also choose to delete. So that's the SD card, and let's go to the settings. So you can choose different settings here: 2.7K and 2.5K or 1020. These are all the general settings which you basically can find. Some of this you cannot find in this camera settings, like this timestamp, local watermark. Okay, that's the settings and the camera. What's this? Okay, and you can see the look album. That's the photo I just snapped, and you can choose to share. And once you share to the social media, and then it will disconnect from the phone, from the camera. Okay, anyways, that is what's inside. That is what is inside. So thanks for watching, guys. The more detailed review, the video performance, day and night, and also the user interaction will be on Geekbang's official YouTube channel very soon. And please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.